Okay, good morning, everyone. So it's a pleasure to organize this SecureNet event for the fourth year in a row. And I'm glad to see all of you are attending here. And also, uh, I think this is the only 6G security event happen in Ireland. So we can easily say this is the flagship program of 6G security in Ireland. And I'm Madhusanka Liyanage, and I'm the associate professor at School of Computer Science, and also the director for the NetsLab, which is the team we are organizing this event. So this event is happening for the fourth year, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank the sponsors for this event. So of course, we have a lot of colleagues attending from the Ensure 6G project. So this is one of the staff exchange project we are running in our lab. So Bart will explain more about this project in the next talk. And also, I would like to thank the Connect Center. So they were sponsoring us for the last 4 years, along with the Research Island. And also this time the Keysight is step in to support for the hackathon event. And they were the main sponsor, and not only for the financially, but also for the technical side, they did a very great job and giving the hackathon platform for us to use for this event. Thank you very much for that. And also this Technology Society from IEEE also sponsoring us on the poster event. So this time actually we have around 250 registration from 25 countries, because of course this is running as a hybrid event. We have in-person attendees and also the online attendees. So we are broadcasting via Zoom and also in the YouTube channel, so which will be available for you to use. And it's very interesting. We get a very diverse participant all across the country. You can see here from US and also from Sri Lanka, India, and Asian region, and also from the European region. So we have a lot of interest from different part of the country to attend this event. And also, I would like to thanks my organizing committee. I think it's a huge work for this organizing team to put up this conference. So of course, Bart is the co-chair and looking after everything and the management level, how the conference is going. And Charuka is the webmaster, and he was doing the publicity for the whole event. And Lavan is taking care of the poster event. And then we have Vidura, who's looking after the video stream. And Rashmi and Dinushika, they are the local host parts supporting for the registration. And for the hackathon, we have Chamara and Itsuru. So they were the technical support. They are providing technical support for the hackathon. So thank you very much, guys. So this is it's really helpful, because without this team, this is impossible to do. And I want to quickly go through about the network softwarization and security laboratory. So this is the lab I am directing. So this is one of the largest research group in UCD, mainly focusing on the security and of the 5G and 6G. So we have around 20 members in our lab. So I'm the director of the lab, and we have 3 co-directors looking after the different teams in the lab. So we are working on under 3 main themes. Like one is the AI security and privacy, looking at the security of the AI system, explainable AI, and also the energy efficient security mechanisms, and those kind of areas we are looking under the AI security and privacy domain. And also we have another umbrella topic working on the application of blockchain for the 5G and 6G network, how we can adapt the blockchain technology in this domain. And then the final area is about the network softwarization and the security automation. So here we look into more on the security protocol development and how we can automate the security authentication mechanism or security protocol deployment. And now we are also looking at the post-quantum cryptography under this umbrella. And we are working on several projects. So here actually I have listed down the project we were involved during the last 2 years in 2025 and also in this year. So we get most of the funding from the SIG SNS under the European Horizon Europe funding program. So we are part of two main SIG SNS security projects, that is confidential SIG and the robust SIG. And also we are participating several other cascade funding projects like FIDAL 5G, SIG Sandbox, SIG BRICS. So we are working on these projects as well. And beyond that, we have some other project, Ensure Security, Marie Curie Staff Exchange project, and GenShield AI. It's about Enterprise Island POC funding. And beyond that, and we are collaborating with the University of Oulu, Finland. So we have very close collaboration with them. For example, like we are external partner for the SIG flagship and the SIG Kio project at the University of Oulu. And also in Ireland, the Connect Center and ML Labs also part of our collaboration. And currently we are having our own 5G test network at School of Computer Science. So this is the Indo 5G test network, so which is available for our student and also our partners to use. So it is developed based on the ORAN technology. And now we have received additional 300,000 funding from University of Oulu. So sorry, from the University of from the UCD to expand this test bed to a outdoor based test bed. So we are now in the process of expanding our test bed. So we have actually more information in the brochure as well. So the idea is like we go beyond the indoor-based station. So we will go for the outdoor-based station scenarios as well, and it will be available by the second half of this year. And a little bit about the projects we are participating. For example, Robust 6G is a 6G Ascent project we are participating, and UCD is the technical manager for this project. So this Robust 6G project mainly focusing on how we can use the distributed AI security and privacy solution in the 6G network. So this project is coordinated by Ericsson, and there are 13 partners in this project. Like we are like almost in the third year of this project. So this is one of the projects we are participating. And then under the 6G BRICS projects, we are doing this Collab XR application. So idea here is like we are trying to develop a collaborative VR application which will be running on top of our 5G test network. So basically, we try to develop a VR-based operation theater so the people can collaborate, the different players can collaborate in this VR environment. So we can provide certain type of training for the doctors on certain surgical procedures. And then we are also working on this tiny inference for transformers on AI nodes project. So this is more about like how we can deploy LLMs in the lightweight devices or like the resource constrained devices. So we are combining the federated learning and split learning concept to deploy this LLM in FPGA. So the main idea, like we can fine tune the LLMs with compliance with the GDPR and AI, EU AI Act compliances. So we can, and also we can run on the lightweight devices. Then we have this GenShield AI project. So this is actually Chamara will give more details about this. So this was got funded under the Enterprise Island Proof of Concept funding. So main idea is like how we can develop AI security platform so we can test and verify whatever the AI model which we are developing are compliance compatible, and also they are not vulnerable for any type of attacks we know or which can be happen in future as well. And Ensure Security is another project we are participating. It's we are coordinating this project. It's a staff exchange project, so mainly knowledge dissemination between the different partners. So we have 13 countries, 13 partners from 13 countries are participating. So this is a huge project, and it's a very nice project because we get to know lot of people across the world. So because this is one of the projects which is expanded beyond Europe. And finally, so we have our test bed and we are trying to create more and more data sets. So whatever the data we are using in our research, we are keeping it public so the others can also use. So anyone wants to use our test bed data set, so we make it public. So for the moment, we have 3 data sets available in our website. You can go to this URL and you can download the data set if you need. And we are keep adding more and more data because that's like one of the dissemination plan of our lab. So thank you very much. So that's all. So if you want to follow the NetsLab work and also our recent updates, so you can scan this QR code so you can follow us. And thank you very much for attending this event.